Okay, trade recap for S&P 500 this week. Trade on 27th of July, Monday. This is the zone. So the zone is from 4-hour rejection. So this is 4-hour gap. This is for 4-hour rejection. So for rejection high to I draw the next zone is the next nearest 4-hour gap. So this is the buy zone for this week. So market is Monday opening open the high gap at the about here. It's about here. So I wait for next 4-hour candle to confirm. This is the 10 a.m. because market open is this candle, then second candle is here. So this is the confirm that market is closed inside the zone. So let's go down to 1 hour. So after 4 hour is confirmed, I go down to 1 hour. So 1 hour, I place the pending is the alarm is on here because I want to be the breaking out from this level. So actually is the pending order should be here, but I stay waiting to complete this candle because this candle is about 10 a.m. to 2. So this candle complete is about 2 p.m. So that's why it's in the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, this 1 o'clock p.m. is closed as the 2. So I'm very confirming is after this 2 p.m. candle is closed. So that's why I place this trade is I place at the buy limit because my original entry is about here because this is this above this high, so it is above the breakout. So but this is candle is only complete at the 2 p.m. So I will be placing order is around here after this around this area to after 2. So this candle is start 2 p.m. So at that time I already put it the buy limit here. So after candle start for a few minutes, about 2:10 to 15 is trade is already trigger. So after trade trigger the next hour candle is still come back to this 1 hour gap. So this is the 1 hour gap. So market is okay, so this is a 1 hour gap. So is the market come back to this 1 hour gap and bounce back. So next a few in 2 hour until this 5 o'clock candle close as the 6. So almost closing to this the TP, but during the US session the market will be reversed back. So this is the one that hit the stop loss is here. So this trade is the loss trade. So just to analyze the entry for this trade, 4 hour is correct. 4 hour is the candle confirming is around here, but this candle is also possible, but this is the one, this 4 hour candle is about 6 to 10. So it is a morning 10 a.m. already consider close, but actually go to 1 hour. After 10 a.m. is this is the 10 a.m. candle. It's the small one, the beginning of the zone. So during that period, actually no entry signal because a 1 hour entry signal is I want to be potential gap. So only this candle is 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. This candle is likely a potential gap. So as confirmed is after next candle is confirmed this is the gap. That's why my 1 hour entry is must be at least one potential gap or one confirmed gap to be preventing. So in terms of 4 hour is correct. The candle is closed inside the zone. The 1 hour entry also correct. That this is the order flow for the 1 hour chart. So only thing can be slightly can be optimized is the only the in terms of stop loss. Because this trade I'm entering here, this is my first gap. This is a second gap. But I put the stop loss is to cover this day here, because at the time I put the limit order, I want to candle this 4-hour candle. So that's why is my stop loss is below this 4-hour candle, the 10 a.m. candle. So just take a look at the 1 hour again. So initially, that's why it's my stop loss is here, because I based on the 4-hour candle below. But based on 1 hour entry, my stop loss can be optimized. Let's say okay, I will be same. I enter here. Okay. Then my stop loss possible is about cover this one gap, this two gap, minimally around here. So for example, I will be putting my stop loss as here. So I adjust 1:1. Okay, 1:1 is here. So it's probably, if let's say I'm optimized on the stop loss based on the 1 hour instead of the 4 hour, so likely can be this one will be hit to the take profit. So this just to see, analyze, and in future trade. This is depends, because sometimes 4 hour stop loss is what, sometimes 1 hour stop loss is what. But based on this trade, 1 hour stop loss is good enough that it's possible to hit the take profit. But this trade I take the 4 hour stop loss. Okay, so this is for recap for the this week trade, and the only thing need to be optimizing some like stop loss in terms of 1 hour or 4 hour.